In this installment of Form Elements, we're going to talk about how to get text in from our user. We've already seen how to use an input type equals text. And so we'll just do ID equals answer1 and name equals answer1. And we use a placeholder and say question 1. So this type of input is good when we're asking our user just for a simple answer. Of course, computer science is my favorite class. So if they're typing a few words or maybe a sentence, this is okay. If I continue to type here, it will allow me to write more, but I have to scroll to see what's going on. Other times, we may find that we're asking our users for a lot more information, maybe a paragraph or paragraphs of information. In those cases, we use a tag called text area, and the text area has a closing partner. And so what we're going to do is we're going to ask them to give us some comments here. And so in our text area, of course, we're going to give it an ID equals comments and a name. And the other thing that we can do is we can give it a width and a height. We typically do that through style, or we can do it through rows and columns. So if I do rows equals 10 and cols equals 10, so I make this little 10 by 10 thing, I've got some code in there that we don't want. So you see that they can now type in here. This is where you can type your comments. You can see that text wrap is automatically applied. And if we need it, scroll bars will appear. And so they can scroll through that. They can also take this little handle here and they can resize it to a variety of different things. Let's take a look at what it was again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're just about at 10 columns, maybe slightly larger depending on the letters that we type. Maybe we go with W's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So just slightly larger than the 10 columns that I asked for. And if I do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you'll see that I have exactly 10 rows set up here. And then when I go to my 11th row, then we start to get our scroll bar. So those are the different ways that you can get text in from a user. Once again, you can use the input tag for short bursts of input, or you can use the text area tag to get larger pieces of information from your